Good evening. Welcome to the first edition of the Real Estate Wealth with Thinkmint Nigeria for the month of June. My name is Imelda Usorolaoye. I'm the managing partner at Thinkmint Nigeria. I'm excited to be here with you today. It's been a while. Thank you for staying tuned with us all these months. Hope we're all fine. Real Estate Wealth with Thinkmint Nigeria is a part of our commitment as a brand at Thinkmint Nigeria to bring all the information you require to aid your home ownership and real estate investment plans and goals. We'll be having a guest on the show today, which will introduce you right after the break. So stay tuned while we as we come back to introduce you to our guest and then talk more about the real estate market in Nigeria. Welcome back. Still your real estate lady Melda on the Real Estate Wealth Thinkmint Nigeria. We have on the show today Dolapo Omidire is the founder of Estate Intel. Estate Intel is a real estate data and research firm. Welcome, Dolapo.
Thank you very much, Melda. Yes, so
you want to introduce yourself more?
Sure. I'll do a better job.
Yes, please.
Estate Intel, we're essentially a market intelligence platform for the real estate market. We help businesses and individuals make sense of what is a very opaque industry and help them make smarter investing and advising decisions. Okay.
Yes, so we've heard from Dolapo. Estate Intel is basically a real estate research data and advisory firm, and they put up quarterly reports basically on the real estate markets in Nigeria. Our focus on the show today would be their last report, which was the Lagos Real Estate Pipeline Report. Mm-hmm. I mean, we believe that topics like this or discussions like this will also aid your real estate investment goals, which we discuss here every time on the show. How you can purchase a property, how you can buy a property for yourself. Discussions like this will also further enhance what we tell you daily. I'm going to just take an excerpt of that report. Basically, I'll just take some paragraphs of that report that would basically help you understand what we're trying to talk about today on the show. As the economic powerhouse of Nigeria, which is Lagos State, basically, because it's a Lagos State Real Estate Pipeline report, yes. So Lagos being the economic powerhouse of Nigeria and accounting for over 65% of economic and business activities, Lagos has been a popular destination for those migrating from rural areas of the country. As a result, supply of suitable housing options within the state always falls short of the demand. And so far, the estimated supply falls short of about 2.31 million households deficits, pointing to a clear opportunity for developers that has resulted in key large-scale developments, such as developments across the state. And then we have one in particular, which is the Brook Millennium Estates, which has a record of 3,000 units recorded in 2022. And in terms of market performance, prime areas such as Ikoyi, Victoria Island, and Banana Island have seen negative growth rates. We're going to talk about that, why that is so, in their rents over the past 5 years, particularly because of the properties that are priced in dollars. The drastic naira devaluation against the dollar has made the prices unrealistically high, therefore causing the need for the reduction. As for sales value, all areas have seen increase in their 5-year growth rates, also resulting from devaluation of the naira. As construction materials are majorly imported, the costs have greatly risen due to the naira devaluation. This automatically affects the total costs of construction, which in turn causes sales price to skyrocket as well. As such, we expect a neutral market performance for 2023. On one hand, supply continues to outweigh demand. However, high inflation is expected to continue to impact on affordability. So on the show today, like I mentioned earlier, we have Dolapo with us, Omidire, who is the founder of Estate Intel. They put together this report. And so we're going to discuss the topic, the Nigerian real estate market, current status and media projections. As we all know, we're coming to the middle of the year. This is June. And then we're going to give further insights as to their last report. Please stay tuned with us as we delve deeper into this topic. We need to pay some bills now. So when we come back, we'll start. Thank you. Okay, great. Okay, so what are the suggested ways to beat inflation using real estate in recent times? What are your
to beat inflation? You know
Yes.
what? Textbook real estate is a hedge against inflation. So just investing in real estate would give you a good hedge, because typically rent is, if you're looking at your income yield, rent is increased incrementally, sometimes annually, sometimes every other year, and usually those increments would account for inflation, as well as the valuation of the assets when it's being valued every other year or whenever period it's been put on the market. The adjustments to the valuation usually cover whatever inflation might have eroded. So I wouldn't say there's a specific strategy. I would just say that investing in real estate across board would give you that. The only challenge that I would see at the moment, and some pushback, is FX, which is a valid concern for anybody, and I think it's facing all sectors. It's not just a real estate thing.
So outside Lagos, which other cities with high would you recommend to have high investment returns outside Lagos?
That's a difficult one, but I'm really bullish on Ibadan. Or when I say Ibadan, I'm bullish on Oyo State. There are lots of exciting opportunities, and I'm hearing oh gosh, I don't even know if I should be. Well, there are lots of exciting plans to build new cities and to create new hubs. So I think along let me not even just say Oyo State, the corridor between Lagos and Oyo, as the infrastructure gets better, I would expect that a lot of people from Lagos would move out and commute into Lagos. So if over the next 4 years things can get really good, we should probably see a lot more investment along that corridor.
Lagos Ibadan
corridor,
yeah.
Yes. So
Okay.
all there are nodes in between, everything in between, there are nice opportunities too.
Okay, Rivers, Port Harcourt. I'm just asking.
I think that, it's all infrastructure based. All of them have good growth. I think we tracked locations in Port Harcourt, OGRA, GRA, all the nodes in Abuja too, in Kano, and I wouldn't say that anywhere. Land is a scarce asset. It's not. They don't make more of it.
Yes.
So I think across board there's opportunity. But I think in terms of the probably the most exciting, most higher yielding ones, you'll find them in Lagos with less risk that might be associated with some of the other locations.
Up to 24 months payment plan across Ekpe, Yaba maybe around 3 million naira entry fee, and then you can pay over 24 months, which is the thing, because as you heard on the show today, mortgage is quite expensive to get, so you probably want to plan your finance. And yes, we have trustworthy developers that you can bank on. So you can also visit our website www.thinkmint.ng/buy real estate, where you can get all the property options that you have. And then if you want to get a mortgage, we also connect you with mortgage lenders in a bid to help you purchase your home. One word for people looking to invest in the Nigerian real estate market in the next half of the year.
Interesting. You know what? I'm going to do a selfish plug and say that you should check Estate Intel.
Oh no, Dolapo.
Check Estate Intel. But look, I think across board, just look for developers and people with track record. It's so important. It's really important. I think there's some of them that you've heard during the show, so check them out. But really, it's real estate is such an expensive asset class that you don't want to make a mistake. So
yes, so
check,
credibility,
use your resources, research
everything,
and
all the professionals you need to
exactly
pick up.
to
find one. Okay, thank you very much. So you can also visit our website www.thinkmint.ng/buy real estate, where you can get all the property options that you have. And then if you want to get a mortgage, we also connect you with mortgage lenders in a bid to help you purchase your home. You can also call us on 080-9784-560. Again, I'll take it again, 080-9784-5065. I'll take it again, 080-97